cute. And if you don't know, then you know now that I love monarch butterflies. I watch them all the time flying from one flower to another from my window. So I combined these two together and made this lovely art. I had made this earlier but couldn't upload it because I had another video scheduled for that time, but better late than never. And I am here with this video. I have already shown a lot of patterns in my previous videos, so I'm not gonna show you all the process. I kept this video short for all who are here to see the result of my hard work, but I wasn't feeling like I am doing some work because the whole process was so satisfying for me. By the way, how do you feel about my work? Tell me in the comments, and you can also give me some suggestions there. Keep supporting. It will be highly appreciated if you like and share this video. As always, I will see you next time. Happy learning.